Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best home hot tub that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Essential Hot Tubs 14 Jet Newport Hot Tub. Enjoy a premium spa experience right in your home with this product. It can sit up to 4 people. It is made from 14 stainless steel jets carved into 3 therapy seats with massaging functions and passive therapy features. It holds 200 gallons of water and you can relax in just minutes, as all you have to do is to insert the already included GFCI cord into any standard 120 volts 15A outlet. It is well insulated to keep currents safe and to keep your water temperature perfect. It comes with a heavy-duty tapered cover with locking clips to ensure it is covered when not in use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Essential Hot Tubs 11 Jet Integrity Hot Tub. This bench-style seating hot tub is made of 11 jet stainless steel. It is spacious to seat between 4 to 5 people. It has a depth that can hold about 241 gallons of water, which makes this hot tub ideal for passive therapy relaxation and invigorating deep massage therapy. All you have to do is control the massage mode using the buttons. It can also work with any standard 120 volts 15A outlet. It comes with an all-season stainless steel Balboa heater for optimum relaxation. It also comes with a heavy-duty and properly insulated tapered cover with locking clips that allow you to protect the tub when not in use. At number 3, we have the Essential Hot Tubs 67 Jet Syracuse Hot Tub. It offers a classily relaxing hot tub experience. Nothing below wonderful is expected from a product that is crafted from 51 stainless steel two-tone with 16 adjustable stainless steel jets. It offers both passive relaxation therapy mode and an intense massage mode. It has a waterfall sound that eases you off into a relaxing mood. It sits 5 to 6 people, and these seats include an exclusive captain seat. It is also designed with 2-layer steps for easier mounting. It is Bluetooth enabled and comes with an insulated tampered cover for after-use protection. This product works with a 240 volts 50A electrical outlet, which will also require a certified technician to fully install. At number 2, we have the Essential Hot Tubs 50 Jet Polara Hot Tub. This product is designed to comfortably seat 6 people, and all seats are designed to provide a very relaxing captain's chair experience. You will enjoy the natural water passive therapy effect of being in a hot tub, as well as a very invigorating massaging experience. This product is designed from 34 stainless steel with adjustable 16 stainless steel jets. It requires 240 volts 15A electrical connection, and for a perfect installation, a certified technician is required. It also has a 4 kilowatts all-season stainless steel Balboa heater to retain water temperature for a longer period. It also comes with an insulated tampered cover for after-use protection. And finally, at number 1, we have the Essential Hot Tubs 30 Jet Adelaide Hot Tub. This product can sit 6 people on an exclusive 4 loungers and 2 luxuriously finished captain seats. It works well with a standard 120 volts 15A outlet, which is an uncommon feature for hot tubs that size. It has water columns for a relaxing waterfall sound. It has an adjustable LED flow control set against a 30 stainless steel frame with adjustable jets. While you may install yourself, an installation by a technician is highly recommended. It also comes with insulated tampered covers for after-use protection, and an all-season stainless steel Balboa heater for a longer heating experience. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.